Want to live in Laguna Beach? Today we have an amazing 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,500 square feet, 2-car garage here in South Laguna, right next to the Montage. Let's go take a look. All right, so here we are at our property. Take a look at that ocean view. Take a look at this street. It is absolutely fantastic. Again, right next to the Montage, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,500 square feet, 2-car garage. This one's going for $7,600 a month right now. It is a brand new remodeled home, brand new roof, brand new paint, brand new everything inside, and an absolutely spectacular view, as you can see, especially from that front living room door. So as we walk into this house, you're going to be met with the brand new huge open floor plan, as you can see here, with this giant living room. Really nice fireplace. It is that time of year where you can kick that fireplace on and really enjoy it. But what's really great is when you're hanging out, having a good time, cooking a meal over there in the kitchen, we'll get to in a second, you're gonna be able to have a good time looking with your friends, and then you're gonna take a look at this view. All right, so from this window, as you can see, all of that ocean view right there. You can also see Catalina out there in the distance. Today is actually a beautiful day, so you actually get the Catalina Island view, which is very nice. And of course, you do also have your very well done manicured front lawn here. And the privacy hedges, which are brand new, those will grow in and even be more private here soon. Now, as we continue our tour here, we're gonna walk into the kitchen. We have brand new appliances, brand new countertops, amazing backsplash. Look at all of this cabinet space, by the way. You put all of your pots and pans, all of your dishes, all of your food. Plenty of spaces there. Huge farm sink right there, which is nice. We have this Forno, beautiful 5-burner stove with a huge oven as well. And you've got your KitchenAid dishwasher. Out here, you have this really cool lights hanging down the back area here for at nighttime. It's gonna create a brilliant ambiance. Great place to entertain. And we'll go and take a look at that here in just a couple of minutes. But first, we're gonna continue our tour. We're gonna walk down the hallway here. Again, 1,500 square foot house. Right here, we do have our first bathroom number 1. And this one does have a dual vanity. It has the restroom, and it also has the shower and the full soaking tub here. Tiles to the top, which is very nice. And plenty of storage under the cabinets as well. Then we take a turn here, and our first bedroom on the left. This one has the best view of all three. It does have a standard closet here, but out of this window, you get that beautiful ocean view. It may even be, not even may, it definitely is even a better view than the living room. Take a look at that. Boom, beautiful view there. All right, so you got all that. And then, let me get the far angle here for you so you can see how deep and big this room is. Then we'll head right across the way here to bedroom number 2, and we'll take a look at this one. Again, brand new floors. They've done a great job here. Another standard closet there. This one has the view of the backyard, as you can see there. All right, and then we're gonna wrap around this hallway right over to here, and this brings us to the master. And the master has a giant closet. It is the entire wall over there, the mirrored closet there, 3 doors wide, which is very nice. We also have our backyard view here. And this one has the master bathroom, which has the dual vanities, plenty of storage in here. 2 separate mirrors in this one. Got the bathroom, but this one has the giant, beautiful soaking tub, which is super nice. Stand-up shower as well. What a beautiful home. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and wrap around, back out the front door. So maybe you're getting ready to leave for work in the morning, you're walking out. What would it look like? What would you see? Well, you're gonna be greeted with that beautiful view every morning when you leave. You're gonna walk out to this beautiful green grass out front, your privacy hedges, and you're gonna turn around and walk right over to your car parked in the garage or here in the driveway. The cool thing about this driveway, you can park 1, 2, maybe even 3 cars, plus you have 2 cars. Parking is a premium here in Laguna Beach. This house has an amazing parking area. So again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,500 square foot house is going for $7,600, and it is ready to move in right now. As you're watching this, you can move in now. By the way, if you're looking to buy, sell, rent, invest, anything real estate in California, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help. So here in the backyard, tons and tons of succulents all around the outside, which is nice because they're going to be growing year round. You're not going to have any issues with them. We also have the turf grass here, which is beautiful for a backyard. So that way you don't have to do any mowing or upkeep. It's very, very simple and easy to take care of. Again, those string lights going to create some amazing ambiance once that sunset happens. And then over here on the other side of the house, plenty of room for some storage if you want to keep that. We've got a beautiful lime tree there, kicking out some limes for your drinks. And then you walk right back into the house. So again, if you are looking to buy, sell, invest, or lease anything here in California, we are here to help. Let's take a look at that view one last time. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you soon.